This is the iQOO Z11x, the latest mid-range offering from the brand. And here's our hands-on first impression video, so let's start. Now since this is a first look video, let's start at the setup stage, the first time when you hold your phone and look at it in detail. So this is the prismatic green color and there is a dual camera module at the back. It says this is an aspherical module, and then there's the power button and volume rocker on the side, and the power button also doubles up as a fingerprint sensor. On the other side you have the SIM tray, and at the bottom you have the USB port, the speaker grill, a single microphone and another microphone up top. So there's no secondary speaker grill here, but the earpiece might act up as a secondary speaker. Now I have already enrolled my fingerprint and it is pretty snappy, fast and responsive. So once you unlock the screen, I have already added my Gmail ID and my fingerprint. So now we are at the final stages of the setup, and this is where the phone is going to ask you to select certain toggles. It is giving you the option to deselect all the pre-installed apps that come with it, and you can completely skip them. Now we're in the about section of the phone, and here's the name of the phone, iQOO Z11x 5G. This is packing a 2.6 GHz Dimensity 7400 turbo octa-core chip with 256GB storage and 8GB plus 8GB RAM configuration. That means 8GB is physical RAM and the other 8GB is dynamic extended RAM. Now while we installed BGMI and Ninja Arashi for testing, we watched some YouTube videos and shots on the display and then took the phone out for a spin. Indoors, this is a sharp and bright panel. The colors are nice and the contrast is good too. Outdoors, display contents are legible, but there's a lot of reflection, so you will be able to use this outdoors but not watch any videos under direct sunlight. While the module houses two sensors, there's only a single rear camera. It can click images in 1x and 2x and videos in 1080p or 4K at 30 fps. The front cam also allows 4K 30 fps videos. First use, normal images are sharp but a little oversaturated for my liking, and some portrait images have edge detection issues. Video output is steady from the rear lens, but there's an exposure issue which also persists on the front camera's video output. But we will be thoroughly testing it in different light conditions, so wait for our full review to know our verdict on the cameras. As for performance, the MediaTek octa-core chip can handle BGMI at HDR graphics and Ninja Arashi 2 without a hiccup. But I noticed minor latency in Ninja Arashi, especially when there are multiple touch inputs like jump, attack, direction happening at the same time. And while we unchecked all the bloatware boxes at the setup stage, I was surprised to see there's a lot still left in the phone. However, you can uninstall it and Origin OS as usual feels fluid and hasn't shown any hiccups during our short use. Now we usually reserve the battery for the full review, but let's make an exception. This phone is packing a 7200 mAh cell, and I unboxed this at about 40% charge at 12:30 PM. I've set it up, played games on it, took some camera samples, and now we're shooting this video with the phone still here. And we have 22% charge left. There's a Vivo flash charge brick in the box to charge it, and we'll be testing that shortly too. And that's a hint at the kind of battery backup that we can expect. But again, the full story has to be reserved for the full review. So follow Gadgets 360 right now so you don't miss it when it comes out. My name is Manik Meri, you're watching Gadgets 360, and we'll meet in the next video.